content warning, violence and mild gore. And if you're under the age of 14, get out. Alright, enjoy the video. The sky weeps with the howls of weary cats. From among the rain and snow, a new power shall arise. Should I say anything to Rainstar? No, it could ruin our plans. Oh. Sleek Mask, you're awake! Leave those cobwebs on for a day or two. You really took a beating on that last patrol. I expect to see you back to redress that wound. Take it easy, Sleek. We'll keep Rainstar off your tail. Plans? What kind of plans? So you did overhear us? Is there something you were going to say? There's no point in hiding it from him, Thrush. He already heard us. But I believe Sleek would make a great ally. I received a vision from StarClan last night. You... what? StarClan? They abandoned us moons ago! That's what we thought too. But hear me out. I know I saw. They made me watch. I relived Snowtapple's execution. Our ancestors left us that night. And now, they want us to follow them. Snowdapple. It's been so long since I've heard their name. They were a good friend of mine. You two can't seriously be considering this? You're her deputy, Thrushfur! If this is what it takes to save lives, I'm left with no other options. Good cats are dying, Sleek. As deputy, it pains me to watch the clan fall apart under her reign. I hope you can understand that. Speckleflower, I'm back with the herbs you asked for. Great timing, Moonpaw. Oh, Sleek's awake. Is he in on the plan, too? Could you bring those over here, please, Moonpaw? Let's see how much we've gathered. I'm worried if Thrush and I try anything more ourselves that Rainstar will catch on. That means we have to plan our actions carefully around her suspicion. Foxdung! We don't have nearly enough herbs. I can't go out again without a warrior escort, and they're all exhausted. We have a perfectly well-rested warrior right over here. Excuse me? Don't I get a say in any of this? Sleek Mask, I know we're asking a lot of you so suddenly, but you're a trustworthy and loyal cat. Someone like you would be perfect to work undetected. Could you please escort Moonpaw to gather more herbs? I promise your efforts will not go unnoticed. Very well. Leave it to me. I can't believe I agreed to this. Look on the bright side, it's been a while since you were able to leave the medicine den. This will be a good excuse to get some fresh air. Uh-oh, look out! Sleek Mask! Ow. Oh my stars, are you okay? Ugh, I will be. Puddleson? Sleek Mask, it's been too long. I was so worried you wouldn't recover from that injury. It was hardly a scratch, Puddle. A really gnarly scratch. It was bad enough leaving the medicine den for a week, you flea brain. Now come on, Sleek, we have work to do. Hey, where are you two going? We're going out to gather herbs, and they're my warrior escort. Oh, could I come too? It's so boring around camp. We don't actually need any help. Sounds great. Sleek! What are you doing? I trust Puddleson, Moonpaw. He's my friend and I'm willing to vouch for him. Fine, I guess you can come with. Yippee! Let's go. I'll fill you in outside of camp. Okay. While Moonpaw gathered the necessary herbs, I told Puddleson about our plan to escape. The news was shocking, of course, but he was immediately on board. Puddle had lost his sister, Dappletail, to one of Rainstar's outbursts, so he knew better than anyone else that leaving was the right choice. He's not as proficient in warrior duties, but he is an excellent strategist. He knew which cats to inform, and together, the 5 of us came up with a plan. While Speckleflower and Moonpaw prepared herbs, Thrushfur and I began recruiting the cats Puddle's son scoped out. Only a select few were chosen. Heron Speck, Maple Patch and Rook Flower, Loudheart, my former apprentice, Icepaw and his mentor Shadow Sun, and finally Seedpaw. She's Thrush's current apprentice. A few stragglers caught on, but they were trustworthy enough to keep secrets. Speckleflower decided the best chance of escape would be during the full moon, and so he left without a word. Speckleflower and Moonpaw led the way. Thrushfur and I took the rear. Collectively, we decided to take our journey to the mountains. I can't believe we're doing this. Things went way too smoothly. None of this would have been possible if it weren't for you. Honestly, I'm surprised myself, but I can't take all the credit, Thrush. Puddle's son helped out so much. He sure did. That cat is smarter than what he lets on. You look nervous. How could I not be? I'm leaving everything behind. I can't help but feel anxious. Besides, I've felt like someone has been watching me since we've left. It's a feeling I can't seem to shake off. Hey, we're out, Sleek Mask. We did it. Things will get better now, I promise. Did you hear that? Look! Of all cats, I never expected you to betray me, Thrushfur. To think my own deputy sneaking around behind my back. Rainstar! How fun. Even my own apprentice has turned on me. You all thought you could just up and leave? Cowards! Every single one of you! You'd rather flee in the face of hardship instead of upholding your status as warriors? Sleek Mask, haven't I taught you better than this? Everyone, let's go back to Frostglade and put all this silly rebellion stuff behind us. Horse shit! You can't seriously think we'll go back with you? Just like that? After all you've done? That is no way to speak to your leader. I will drag you all back by force if I must. Sleek Mask! Thrushfur, take everyone, get out of here! I'll hold her off. What the hell am I doing? Gotcha! Why am I trying so hard? The fight against my mentor is a death sentence. Thrushfur, help him! I'm on it! You're all traitors, and I hope you freeze to death! What a fitting punishment for the likes of you! Ah! Are you alright? Yeah. I'm sorry I couldn't come sooner. It's fine. Is everyone safe? They are. Speckle led them away. Help! Please! Thrushfur, you have to help me! I can't swim! You can't just let me drown. Sleek Mask, I'm so sorry. Please, help me! Starcoin has a special place in hell for cats like you. Come on. Please, help! I'm slipping! It's so cold. Thank the stars, you two are alright! Rainstar was dead. Everyone was safe. We didn't have to worry about her anymore. The hardest part was finally over. After about a week's time, we had found our new home. Thrushfur took her rightful place as leader, but denied her change of name. She asked me to join her as her deputy. I accepted. Life was peaceful. Things were good. Now that Rainstar was gone, I was able to reunite with my sibling, Hellheart! She disappeared without a trace after we lost Snowdapple. It is such a relief that she's alive. Although, he has picked a new name for himself. I go by Frost Echo now. I like it. It suits him. Everything finally feels right. All that's left is to announce the clan's new name. Do you have anything in mind, Thrush? I do. This clan was conceived under the cruel tyranny of Rainstar and from the harsh sacrifice of Snowdapple. I am ready to reveal what it is I have decided upon. Let all cats gather beneath the falls. It is with great pleasure that I come to you all to announce and share the plans for our future. Everyone, welcome to Sleep Clan!